Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves series where we'll cover every major type of Japanese food. This lesson is Bacon Asparagus Bites. These tasty bits are very popular in Izakaya, which are Japanese pubs. My version was inspired by the great cookbook, The Japanese Grill by Ono Salat. Although everything is better with bacon, bacon and asparagus are a great combo. So let's start cooking. Okay, we're going to turn on the heat on our grill, and tonight we're using the Izakaya grill. We're going to try to be kind of authentically Japanese tonight. You could use a regular grill, gas grill, or charcoal grill. We're brushing the top of the Izakaya grill with a little bit of high smoke point oil. And you can see the Izakaya grill in action in at least one other lesson, which is Izakaya night in my Japanese Faves series. All right, now we're going to take our asparagus pieces and we're going to wrap them in some with the bacon pieces and skewer them with these skewers. Now I'm using very thin skewers because I don't want them to split the asparagus, okay? We're just going to skewer each one. Now, you can see that the pieces of asparagus are not the real thin ones. If you get those real thin ones that come out in the spring, it's going to be a lot harder to use them. You want them to be medium thickness or thicker. And as you can see, the bacon pieces are about the same length as the asparagus pieces. Okay, so now we are ready to grill them. All right, now we're going to put the asparagus and bacon bites onto the Izakaya grill. And we're going to let them grill, turning them from time to time until they are starting to get some brown. Okay, they've been grilling for a few minutes. We're going to turn them over, see what they're starting to look like. There we go. We're getting some nice brown on the bacon. We'll let them go a couple of minutes on this side, then we'll turn them again. Okay, we're going to turn them again. We're getting some nice color on the bacon. I want some of the fat to render. I don't want the bacon to be, seem too fatty and too flabby, okay? So we want it to crisp up a bit. Now we'll keep turning them every minute or so until they look the way I want them to look. Okay, they are starting to look beautiful. The bacon's looking really nice. We're going to start brushing them with Yakitori Sauce. And we're going to brush them, turn them, let them cook for a little while, 30 seconds or so. Turn them again, brush and turn, until they are beautiful. Okay, we're just going to brush them and turn them one more time. Let them go about 30 seconds after the turn, and we're going to take them off and plate them up. Okay, here I've plated them up with a lemon wedge. We're just going to give them a little sprinkle of Sansho pepper, and there we have it. These are the bacon and asparagus bites. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is @Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.